Hello, people. Hello, math students. Hello, friends. Hello, turtles who are stuck on your back and need some help being flipped over to do well in this math test. Here is your help. This is your test review, so help me help you. Pay attention. Watch this video as many times as you need to understand. If you pay attention, you will do really well on your math test, which is what we want you to do. So let's jump into it. This is the study guide for Unit 3. And we're going to go through most of the problems. I don't want this to be too long, so we'll try to get as much as we can done in 5 minutes. I'm going to go pretty fast. If you get stuck, the amazing thing about the video is you can pause it and watch it again. Let's jump into it. Okay, so question number 1. There are 15 pieces of fruit in a bowl, and 6 of them are apples. What percentage of the pieces of fruit in the bowl are apples? Okay, so I've got 6 apples out of 15 total. So what I'm going to do is divide 6 by 15. I have to get it to my decimals here. I end up with 0.4. 15 goes into 6.4 times. That is the same as 40%, which is one of my answers here. And that is the correct answer. Question number 2, select all, and they have this word in bold, so you know it's really important, all the trips that would take 2 hours. That means you can have more than one correct answer. Maybe, right? Or you could have none, I suppose, but you definitely, in this case, we definitely have more than one. Let's take a look at them. Drive 60 miles per hour between Buffalo and Seneca Falls. So we're taking a nice trip in western New York. Those two cities are 120 miles apart. I'm going 120 miles at 60 miles per hour. So I divide 120 by 60, and that is 2. It's going to take me 2 hours to make that trip. This is one of the correct answers for this question. Number 2, walk 3 miles per hour to school, which is 1.5 miles away. I'm walking 1.5 miles in going at 3 miles per hour. So it's going to take me 0.5 hours or a half hour. That is not a correct answer because that is not a 2-hour trip. Number C, letter C, take a train going 80 miles per hour from Albany to New York City, which are 160 miles apart. So I am dividing 160 by 80 because I'm going 160 miles at 80 miles per hour. And that's going to take me 2 hours because 80 goes into 162 times. So that is another correct answer. So we have 2 correct answers to that question. Number 3, our friend Lynn. Sorry, a little zoom issue there. Has completed 70% of a trip. Oh, I'm sorry. I keep doing that. They have traveled 35 miles. How far is the trip? Okay, so I set up a number line to do this, right? I set up a number line. They're at 70% of their trip. This is where they are right now. And they've gone 35 miles. I have 7/10 of the total here. So I can divide 35 by 7, which gives me units of 5, right? So every 10% I go, I'm going 5 miles. So when I've gone 20%, I've gone 10 miles. When I've gone 30%, that means I've gone 15 miles. When I've gone 40%, I've gone 20 miles, and so forth, right? For every 10% of the total of the trip I go up, I'm going up 5 miles, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, right? This is where Lynn is now. So I'm going to go up another 10%, I'll be at 40. I'm going to go up another 10%, I'm at 45. And when I'm at 100%, they have gone 50 total miles. And that works out because that's one of my answers here. So that's awesome. Lynn runs 5 laps around the track in 6 minutes. Right? Lynn just keeps going. They're going on this trip. They're going around the track. How many minutes per lap is that? Right. So first, I'm doing minutes per lap. Lynn has gone 6 minutes, 5 laps. So I'm dividing 5 by 6. That's 1.2 minutes per lap. How many laps per minute? So now I'm flipping this over. I'm doing laps per minute now. So I'm dividing 5 laps by 6 minutes. And that's about point, I didn't write down the answer here, 0.8 laps per minute. Oop, there we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so for the next one for C, if Lynn runs 21 laps at the same rate, how long does it take her? So what I need to do here is she's running 21 laps and we know she's running at 1.2 minutes per lap. So I'm multiplying 21, which is the number of laps, by 1.2, which is the minutes per lap. That gives me 25.2. So 25.2 minutes. Okay, if you're unclear on any of these, remember, just pause. Make sure you write the answers down yourself and really think about why I'm doing them that way. Okay. We're going to do one more, and I think we'll stop at 6 because this is getting to be on the long side. Let me zoom in. The first part is on this page. This gets broken up. A ship captain is mapping a trip and wants to show the distance the ship will travel over certain time intervals. Fair enough. So in this column, we have the time he's going. In this one, I have the distance in miles he's going. Assuming that the ship travels at a constant speed, what is its speed? So I'm looking at this table. I want to find the simplest numbers to work with, right? And I see these numbers with decimals. I'm like, not so much. But if I see it's going 25 miles in 1 hour, and that's pretty clear. I want to find the miles per hour. It's going 25 miles per hour. So that's my answer there. I'm going to do number 6. Which weighs more, a watermelon that weighs 7.5 kilograms or a baby that weighs 12 pounds? Ooh, so what do we need to do? We need to convert kilograms to pounds or vice versa. But it gives us this information. Explain your reasoning. Note that 1 pound is about 0.5 kilograms. So to find out how much this baby weighs in kilograms, so I can compare the two, I multiplied 12. Oh, I didn't mean to erase that. Times 0.45, which is the amount in kilograms, and that tells me that gives me 5.4 kilograms. So the baby weighs about 5.4 kilograms, which is less than 7.5 kilograms, obviously. So the watermelon weighs more. I'm sorry, my handwriting got a little erased here. Let me zoom in. So I'm sorry that that's confusing. It doesn't give you a lot of space here, but the watermelon weighs more. All right, I'm going to stop there because we're at about 8.5 minutes. This is getting to be a long video. We will go over this in class, and I will share it online so you can watch it at home. Watch this video a couple of times so that you know how to do these problems and you're ready for the test. All right, good luck.